Hello, and welcome to VDCI CAD Teacher DAC 221 Introduction to Photoshop. Throughout this introductory level course, we'll break down the fundamental uses of Photoshop and provide strategies for utilizing Photoshop to adjust, enhance, and produce images and marketing materials. This course begins by exploring the Photoshop interface and utilizing basic tools in order to create shapes and paint with brushes. In Lesson 2, we'll work with images and cover common corrections and adjustments for raster images, including cropping, color balancing, blending images, and merging photos into a panorama. In Lesson 3, we'll work to create logos from scratch as well as recreate logos from low-resolution versions. We'll also stylize these logos and adjust them based on potential client needs. Finally, in Lesson 4, we'll work with the images we've made to create marketing materials for a business. We'll create a website background image, a table banner, and a postcard. Together, we'll go through the process of exporting all of these materials based on specific client requirements. For more information regarding DAC 221, Introduction to Photoshop, or to sign up for an on-site or online course, please visit vdci.edu.